you do a Google search, you have your search engine results page. It's called the SERP, S-E-R-P. And it used to be you had 4 ads on the top and you had all the 8 ads on the side. Google a couple of years ago removed all the side ads, and now it's just top and bottom. And bottom is really negligible. No one gets clicks if you're on the bottom. Mm-hmm. But you have 3 to 4 positions at the top of the page for text-based ads. These are ads that have headlines and descriptions and some ad extensions like your pricing extensions or what we call site link extensions, where you could send users to different pages of your website. Then there are Google shopping ads. Shopping ads are ads of physical products that have an image and a price in the actual ad, and that pulls from a data feed. So if you have a website on Shopify, Shopify then looks at all your products, your variants, your descriptions, your titles, your prices. That information gets sent into what is called Google Merchant Center.